Today we are going to talk about how to prevent the ill effects of air pollution. My name is Dr. Rajesh Chawla, Senior Consultant, Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine, Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. See how you can prevent the ill effects of air pollution. Of course, the best would be not to stay in the city, but that's not possible. So what you can do is, you do not venture out when there is a high level of air pollution. If you are making a house, don't make your house in area if you can avoid it where there is a lot of air pollution. Always wear the mask. You can wear the N95, you can wear the simple surgical mask, but it should be airtight. Particularly for children, their school should be near to home so that they are not exposed to the air pollution. Then, if there is a patient who is suffering from a respiratory illness, he should be very careful. They can even use the air purifier at home. They can also use some of the plants which they can put in their house which have a good effects on the air pollutions. Eat antioxidant rich diet. So if you do all this, you can prevent the ill effects of air pollution.